To discover nearby Touché Bluetooth-enabled control modules, first open the Touché Insight mobile app on your phone. Once open, press the Connect to System button and the app will begin to discover nearby control modules. When the discovery is complete, a list of available control modules will be displayed. Each line is a separate control module that displays the current Bluetooth signal strength, the control module mode, the name, and the type. The signal strength information will change as you move closer or farther away from control modules. If the signal strength is red, the app will not allow you to connect to that control module. The list can also be sorted by signal strength or by name.